Hey, as we say in France, il fait froid dehors. It's really cold out there. Yes, it's cold out there, but it's the middle of the winter season. So what are you expecting? And when it's cold out there, you need something to warm you up, right? Coffee's probably not enough, so let's find a solution together. I might actually have one. It's called le Flan Patissier. Let me explain. The Flan Patissier, it's a little bit of sugar, milk, cream, eggs, all the good ingredients to warm you up, right? And when I put all these ingredients together, I know someone who loves it. So, you want to try? Let's make this Flan Patissier together. Alright, let's go through the ingredients. Everything we need is here. And the list is on the side here. So, eggs, sugar, cornstarch, milk, heavy cream, and vanilla. The big question is, with or without crust? It's really up to you. It's just a personal preference, right? For me, it works better with this guy here, une pâte brisée. If you want to know how to make that pâte brisée, this is the link to go to. Right? Okay, so if you've watched my video on the pâte brisée, you know that this is coming from the fridge where it spent at least 1 hour. What we are going to do now is put it into this baking dish, and I'm using a 9-inch dish today. Et voilà, c'est fait. The pâte brisée is in the baking dish. We are going to store it in the fridge to give us enough time to prepare all the other ingredients. We're going to start with the milk and the heavy cream together with a stick of vanilla into a saucepan on the stove. We bring everything to a boil. And in the meantime, you're going to mix together the eggs, the egg yolks, the cornstarch, the sugar, and the vanilla extract. Okay, so at this stage we've made the two parts of our Flan Patissier. On one side we have the milk, the cream, and that stick of vanilla. On the other side we have the sugar, the starch, and the eggs. Now is the time when we bring everything together. And when your milk and cream are boiling, you just have to pour into the pan the mix of eggs and sugar that you've just made. At this stage, you want to reduce the heat, and you'll see slowly this whole thing turning into a thick cream. Hey, one important point at this stage, you want to keep stirring the cream. You don't want it to burn at the bottom of the pan. And when it starts boiling again, it's time to stop the fire and remove from the stove. We'll let it cool down for a few minutes before the next step. Okay, so at this stage, we've just done our crème pâtissière. This is how it's called. And it's still super hot. It's on the stove. You need to let it cool down for a few minutes. And then, and only then, you can pour it onto the crust in the baking dish. One little trick here. You will start with the oven at 450 degrees. And I'm talking Fahrenheit here, right? 450 degrees for 15 minutes. This is just to take care of the crust. And then you'll cool it down to 360 degrees and you'll let the Flan Patissier in there for an additional 40 minutes. Hey, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? This is the solution for your cold winter day, I promise you. Et voilà, le flan pâtissier. It's just wonderful. Comme à la maison, as we say, like at home. My grandma used to make the exact same one. Hey guys, if you like this flan pâtissier, please don't forget to like the video. And if you want more of these simple family style French cuisine and recipes, please subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell in the corner. You will be notified each time I post a new video. In the meantime, I have to apologize. I'm really busy here. I'm gonna finish this and I'll see you next time. Au revoir, à bientôt.